So everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you about writing code, Python conditionals code in just one line. So this is going to be an if-else conditionals, no elif required in this one because it doesn't work. So let's begin the video with an example. So first of all, we're making a variable called decision. Decision is equals to input yes or no. Simple. And after that, if decision is equals to yes, what we do is print the decision is and yes. So the decision is yes. I want to use an F string here, and after that another if, or let's not even do that, so we can do else print f is f and you typed, let's say decision, so the person typed whatever is in decision, right? So if the decision is equals to yes or no, if the decision is equals to yes or no, if the decision is equals to any one of these, this will just type you typed and not yes here, decision would be showed here. And if the user doesn't type any of these, what it will do is just print you typed and then whatever is in the decision. So let's just run the program with this. After we did that, let's open up a terminal. So dir, I'm in this file or in this folder, so I'll copy the file name cls python and paste the name here. So yes or no, yes, the decision is yes. Once again, no, the decision is no. Once again, hello, the decision is hello. So this is a simple concept, right? But I'll show you a way with which you can just replace these 4 lines of code in just one line. So the way of doing this is we will first do a thing, and that is to print, and under that f, the decision is decision if decision is equals yes or no, else print you typed and then the decision. You type the decision, but before that it'll be using an F string. So that's it. Let me comment this out. So this is a simple line of code. How to turn the word wrap on here, I want to show it to you. Is it possible from here? Toggle word wrap. Yeah, so this is going to be a one-line code. I have turned the word wrap on, so it's showing up in 2 lines. If we just zoom out, it'll be a one-line code. So let's see what this does. So it'll print this if the variable decision is equals to yes or no. Simple. So it'll just print this if the variable decision is equals to yes or no. So it means print, yeah, it does printing stuff, and under that we have the F string, and under F string what we have is the decision is decision, right? So the decision is decision, so what we enter here is going to be here, right? And after that it'll be shown only if the decision is equals to yes or no. It means if we have typed yes or if we have typed no, it'll be showing this, or it'll be running this part. Else, if we have not typed any of these two, what it will do is it'll just print you typed and after that decision, which would be whatever we typed in. So let's save the file, and after that run the program. dir cls python main.py yes or no, yes, the decision is equals to yes, cls. Python main.py, no, the decision is no, cls. Python main.py, hello, the decision is hello, accept or out, whatever. So you learned whatever this is, and you typed decision would be here, but instead of that, it's showing decision is that because maybe there's a problem. Let's see what the problem is, but right now I mistakenly closed the terminal, so it's your task now to find why this is showing the decision is whatever we typed in place of showing you typed, and after that whatever we typed. So this video was a real quick and small video about the demonstration of one line if else conditional. So you can write like this, or if you have free time, what you can do is you can also write like this. This has a cleaner syntax, but this saves time, and this is also better to be used in some small programs. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, I do appreciate if you also subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Bye.